Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today I'll show you how to add notes to your iPhone contacts, a super handy trick to remember important details about people. Let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. You can also find it by searching in the Phone app under the Contacts tab. Now, choose the contact you want to add a note to. Just tap their name to open their details. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner to make changes to this contact. Scroll down and look for the Notes section. Tap on it and type whatever you want, like birthdays, preferences, or important reminders. Once you've added your note, tap Done to save. That's it. Now, your note will always be there when you check the contact. Bonus tip: you can also use Siri to add notes hands-free. Just say, "Hey Siri, add a note to contact name," and speak your note. Super convenient. And that's how you add notes to iPhone contacts. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you'd like to see other iPhone tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.